Our family, literally everything, every species is connected genetically from the sunflower to the sunfish. And this is what we must recognize before it's too late, because the real crisis is not global warming, environmental destruction, or animal agriculture. It is us. These problems are symptoms of us, byproducts of us. Fun fact, planet Earth is 4.5 billion years old. Mankind, about 140,000 years old. Let me put that in perspective. If you condense the Earth's lifespan into 24 hours, that's one full day, then we have been here on this planet for, drum roll please, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. And look what we've done. We have modestly named ourselves Homo sapiens, meaning wise man. But is man really so wise? Smart, yes, and it's good to be smart, but not too smart for your own good. Yes, we have split the atom. Yes, we build clever machines that navigate the universe in search of new homes, but at the same time, those atoms we split created nuclear warfare. In our quest to explore the galaxy, rejects and neglects the home that we have here now, so no, that cannot be wisdom. Wisdom is different. While intelligence speaks, wisdom listens, and we willingly covered our ears to Mother Nature's screams and closed our eyes to all of her help-wanted signs. Wisdom knows that every action has an equal and opposite reaction, so if we were wise, we would not be shocked when we see storms that are stronger than ever before, or more drought, hurricanes, and wildfire than ever before, because there's more pollution than ever before, more carbon, more trees cut down than ever before. At a record pace, we have increased the extinction of animals by 1,000 times the normal rate. What a feat. In the next 10 to 100 years, every beloved animal character in every children's book is predicted to go extinct. Lions gone, rhinos gone, tiger, gorilla, elephant, polar bear gone. In 3 seconds.
As a mark of reverence and deep concern for nature and its future restoration, the Futurized Global Community, a world welfare organization for humanity, will initiate this day as a day to remember annually, as the day to appreciate nature. In order to mark this day, the organization will be giving away candles and lamps to everybody who wants to join hands in celebrating and in bringing awareness to this great cause. We are pleased to inform you that 23 years are of dedication and service to humanity are compiled and segregated under 10 innovative, dynamic, scientific and futuristic broad-spectrum category. Year 2019 is a significant year, loaded with many events. We are setting up another milestone on this 14th September, as we inaugurate the Humanistics Online College. This online college is first of its kind, which is geared towards educating humans of the body-mind synergy required in humanizing life. This sets the pace for nature lovers to evolve further as the humanitas of the next era, and act as guardians and custodians of our Mother Nature. All are cordially invited for the spectacular inauguration event of Humanistics Online College through the MSAP website. This is going to shape the young minds of the future by educating the nuances and techniques of uplifting humanity through unique and innovative humane technology.
But it has been said that something as small as the flutter of a butterfly's wing can cause a typhoon halfway around the world. But when enough people come together, we too will make waves and wash the world into a new era filled with love and connection, freedom for all without oppression. But it is up to you, yes, you watching this behind this screen, to make the effort, because time is of the essence, and only together can we make it to the 4th second.
This would be our mission for this new millennium, and this is what we hope to initiate on this Guru Purnima, or Nature Appreciation Day ceremony. A celebration will take place on the 14th of September 2019 to mark our pledge